Alright, this is 11.3 video by Jared Caston and Danny Banky. Alright, this is going to go over fast and quick, I'm pretty sure. Alright, for the first one, we got to find the area of this circle. So we're going to take, and it has a radius 7, so we're going to plug that into the equation like its radius equals pi r squared, so it's pi times 17.3 squared, and that equals, once we get it written down, it's going to be 940. Right, we're just going to, so like, we're writing slow, I guess, so this won't be fast and furious. Anyways, so it's going to equal 904.24. Alright, so that's the area. Alright, and then for number 2, we gotta find the area of the shaded region, I believe. Yep, and it has a radius of 6. So we just find the angle, and the angle is 127 or 137. And we put that over 36 times pi times the radius squared. So it's gonna be 137 over 360 times pi 6 squared. And because we do that because when you take the arc, it's like taking a percentage of the circle, and that's how you get the equation. So it's like that much of the circle, so that's like how you, so yeah, basically it's a percentage, so it's like 137 out of 360 and times the pi whatever radius squared. So that's where it gets. So then once we plug that in your calculator, we're going to get an approximate value of 43.039. So that, once again, that's 43.039, I believe. So that's what that is. Then for number 3, I believe it's the same thing, except this one's a little bit different because it gives us the angle of the non-shaded region. So we take 360 minus that to find out what the actual measure actual angle measure is. So then we figure out, so then 360 minus 127, I think. Yep, or 167, sorry. That's going to equal, so that's going to equal 193, and that put that over 360 times pi times the 11 squared, because that's the radius, and that's going to be about 203.793, I believe, once we get that all plugged in our calculator later, or that's pretty funny. Anyways, so that's what we get, but I believe we go back because we're looking at the wrong problem when we're doing this, even though we should be able to do it, well, not do it in our heads, but get it later. But we have to go back and erase a couple things because we're kind of confused. But like I said before, so it's going to be 193 over 360 times pi times 11 squared, which is going to be 203.793. Alright, then for number 4, we do the same, so it gives us the degree measure of one of the outside ones. So we take that times 2 minus the, so that's going to be 230. So it's 360 minus 230 is going to equal 130. And we put 130 over 360 times pi times the radius, which is 7 squared. So that's how we get it. So it's going to be 130 over 360 times pi 49, whatever, and that's the approximate value of 55.588. So that's how we get that one. And then for number 5, we're gonna we gotta find the area of shaded region, and that's the butt problem, as Mr. Brown called it once. So with that one, we gotta find the area of the half circle. So that's gonna be half of the pi times the radius, and the radius is 16, which is double the radius of the other one. And so the other one, since it's 2 half circles, but they're complements to each other, the radius is going to be 8, so it's going to be pi r squared just for that, and then the radius is 8 for that. So it's going to end up being, so it's going to be, like 32 pi plus some, I don't know, more than that pi. Maybe it's 64 pi. I'm not really sure. Anyways, but the approximate value is going to be 603.186. And that's how you do that problem. Alright, and as always, we end with a smiley face. So, yep, that's the end of it. And yeah, she writes that she's sorry for the mistakes. So I think that's pretty nice of her. So, have a great day.